And when they awake, it's talking about the resurrection. Next, I want to go to 1 Corinthians chapter 15, starting in verse 20. But now Christ is risen from the dead and has become the first fruits of those who have fallen asleep. For since by man came death, by man also came the resurrection of the dead. For as in Adam all die, even so in Christ all shall be made alive, but each one in his own order. Christ the firstfruits, afterward those who are Christ at his coming. Then comes the end, when he delivers the kingdom to God the Father, when he puts an end to all rule and all authority and power. So this is that verse that I was talking about, where it divides up the resurrections, and it seems like into 3 different ones. So the first resurrection that it talks about here is Christ. He is the first fruits of the resurrection. And it talks about how all who die with Adam will also be raised with Jesus. But then it continues and says there is another resurrection, those who belong to Christ at his coming. So there's the second one. And then comes the end, when Jesus will deliver the kingdom to God. And it doesn't quite say that there's another resurrection there, but we'll find out in Revelation that there is yet the third one. But that's the division there. We've got the first fruits of the resurrection with Christ, and then at his second coming, there's the second resurrection, and then we're going to find out the timing of the third one even later in Revelation. That'll be the third resurrection.